I took a train to Abeokuta last week, and here are 5 things I think you should know before booking that train ride. Number 1, try to book your tickets online. I booked the standard ticket, which cost 3,000 naira, and this saved me a lot of time when I got to the train station. I didn't have to join the queue and got checked in immediately. 2, book a window seat. As a content girly, this allowed me to take videos and enjoy the scenery. 3, the meal I had on the train cost 3,000 naira, and this jollof rice and chicken was quite good. 4, there is a charging port to charge your phone at every hour just by the window seat. Finally, I and Tife got to Abeokuta just in time, but nothing prepared us for number 5. The cab fares at the Abeokuta train station are really pricey, and even when you order through the Uber app, you would need to negotiate a higher price with the drivers. Guys, which of these have you experienced? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.